안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 자, 토픽 걸러에 오신 것을 환영합니다, 여러분. 오랜만입니다. So, it's been a long time po, no? Since nakapag-upload tayo ng continuation dito sa POEA Reviewer Series natin. But we are on 490 na po, guys. 490번 문제. 490번 문제부터 491번까지 풀어보도록 하겠습니다. So let's answer from 490 to 491. Okay? So let's start without any further ado na po. So sa instruction po, guys, so I will not explain everything na po, no? Itong word lang na makke. Okay, makke. So yung pinaka-important dyan is yan. Okay? Kasi yung verb dyan is yung mat. Okay? Matda, which means to be correct. So therefore, you have to find in the choices po kung ano yung tama na pagka-explain sa signage. Okay, so proceed tayo sa signage, guys. Yung pinakamalaki na word dito is 정비. Okay, 정비, which means to maintain, and 철저. Okay, 철저, which means thoroughly. Okay, so maintain thoroughly. So maintain properly, no? Yun po yung thought ng 정비, 철저. Okay, so you have to find sa choices po yung magkasing halintulan ng 정비. Okay, yung may similar thought ng 정비 na word. Okay, so but before that, kailangan muna nating pagpraktisan yung mga vocabs na nasa baba. So we have 조이고. Okay, 조이다 yung verb dyan, guys, which means to tight, pahigpitan, and 구, yung mga 구 dyan, yan po'y end. Okay, tight and 기름치. Okay, 기름치다, which means to put oil. Okay, so itong chewy, guys, yun po yung tinutukoy niya dyan, yung paghihigpit ng mga bolts and nuts. And 기름치다, yan, yung pag-i-spray ng oil, paglalagay ng oil. And takja. Okay, so yung takda, wipe, and daja, verb ending, which means let's. Okay, let's wipe. Okay, so again, 정비하다, to maintain. So, hahanapin natin dito sa choices yung may kaparehan ng thought ng word na yan. So, 1번, number 1, 기계를 쓰기 전에. Okay, so, 기계를, the machine, 쓰기 전에. Okay, 쓰다, to use, then 기전에, before. So, before using the machine, 사용 순서를 배웁니다. Okay, so 사용 순서. Okay, the 사용 means usage, 순서, order, or yung sequence. 배웁니다, learn. So you have to learn daw the sequence of usage sequence before using the machine. Okay, so it doesn't talk about like that, guys. No, so mali yung number 1. Next, number 2, 기계를 사용하지 않을 때는 전원을 끕니다. Okay, 전원을 끕니다. So, 끕니다 from the verb 끄다, which means to turn off. Turn off the 전원, the power. Okay. Then, 사용하지 않을 때는. Okay, yung magkasama dito is 을 때, which means when, or sa tuwing, no? Sa tuwing, yan yung magkasama naman is jian, okay, which means don't, no? So, therefore, sa tuwing hindi, okay, or when you don't, 사용하다, okay, 사용하, okay, which means use. So, therefore, 사용하지 않을 때는 when you don't use the 기계, the machine, okay. So, meaning you have to turn off the power when you don't use the machine, okay. So, 아닙니다, hindi. Number 3, 기계가 잘 작동할 수 있게 항상 관리합니다. Okay, so ito, guys, the word 관리합니다. So, yung pagkabasa niyan is 관리, hindi 관리 or hindi 관리, kundi 관리. Okay, 관리합니다. So, 관리합니다, 관리하다, which means to manage, no? So, when you manage, part of that is you maintain. Okay? So, therefore, magkapareha ng thought, guys, yung 정비하다 and 관리하다. Okay? So, you have to manage, or you manage daw 항상, always. Okay? And itong 작동할 수 있게, okay, yung magkasama dyan is ike, Sige lang po guys, yung meaning niya po dito, yung thought niya is in order to. Okay? And the irsu it. Okay, yan po guys. Yung meaning niyan is can. Okay? Can. You can. Okay, can. Or sometimes it can also mean be able to. Okay? So if you combine in order to be able to 작동하다. Okay? 작동하다 is to operate. Okay? And 잘 means well. So if you combine all, in order to be able to operate well the 기계, the machine. Okay? So therefore, you have to manage or you manage always in order to be able to operate well the machine. So number 3 yung tamang sagot guys, no? You have to tight the you have to tight the bolts and nuts, you have to wipe, you have to put oil, you have to manage, no? You have to maintain. So therefore, number 3 yung tamang sagot natin. 정답 3번입니다. 4번, number 4. 기계가 고장 났을 때는 관리자에게 말합니다. Okay. So, 기계가, the machine, 고장 났을 때. Okay, 고장 나다 yung verb natin dito. Okay, so to be damaged, no? And lilte again means when or sa tuwing. Sa tuwing masisira daw yung machine. Okay, when the machine is damaged, 관리자. Okay, 관리자, which means the manager, no? Yung nagti-take care ng machine. Ege, to, then marhamida, speak. Okay, so you have to speak or you speak to the manager or the maintenance when the machine is out of order or damaged. Okay, again, number 3 yung tamang sagot natin dito, guys. Okay, next, let's proceed po sa 491. Same guys, sa instruction, meron din siyang matke. Okay, so correct, no? You have to find the correct explanation po dito sa signage. Okay, so sa signage po, merong kung sa chung. Okay, kung sa chung. So kung sa, which means construction, no? Constructing, and chung, in the middle of. Okay, so in the middle of constructing, in the middle of construction. Okay, so therefore, kasi in the middle of construction sila, 주차 금지. Okay, 주차, okay, 주차, which means to park, and 금지, bawal. So pag may nakita kayong 금지 guys, so therefore, hahanapin mo dyan sa mga choices, yung mga negative ending yung mga grammar. So when you say negative ending, yung mga not allowed or don't or please don't, no? So saan ba makikita dyan guys? Yes, yung mga negative ending po natin, yung mga may not or don't or please don't, nasa number 2 and number 4. Yung G, 마십시오. Okay, G, 마십시오 kasi please don't. Okay, kasi 금지, kasi bawal. Prohibition, prohibited. Okay, so but before we go directly to, no? But before we go directly po sa mga choices na yan, let's try to analyze from 1 to 4 po. Kasi we have to practice the vocabularies. Yun po yung purpose natin. Okay? So, number 1, 공사 중이니까. Okay, 공사 중이니까. So, 공사, construction. 중, again guys, it means in the middle of. Then, inika or nika, which means since. Since in the middle of constructing, 천천히 운전하십시오. Okay, 천천히, slowly, 운전하십시오. 운전하다, to drive. Then 십시오, which means please. So please drive slowly since they are in the middle of constructing. Okay, so 아닙니다. Number 2, 2번. 공사를 하고 있으니까 들어오지 마십시오. Okay, so 지 마십시오. Okay, as what I have said, you have to find the negative ending verb. 지 마십시오 is one of those. So, please don't. 지 마십시오. Please don't 들어오다. Okay, 들어오다. 들어오다 is to come in or pumasok. So, please don't come in. Okay, unika again, since. Since, itong haguit, yung guit yung magkasama niyan guys, which means ing or present progressive tense. Okay, ing lang yan. So, itong ha naman is do. So, if you combine haguit, doing, okay? Doing, okay? Since they are doing 공사, construction, or since they are constructing, yun po yung thought, 들어오지 마십시오. Please don't come in. Okay, 아닙니다. Again, 주차 yung pinagbabawal dito guys, no? Parking. Okay? Number 3, 주차를 하려면, okay, may 주차 siya guys. Okay? Okay, so tingnan natin kung magmamatch ba yung sentence na ito, even though wala siyang negative ending. Okay? 주차를 하려면, okay, so 주차를 하다, to park. Okay? And 려면, if you intend or if you plan. So if you plan to park, 주차를 하려면 현장 소장에게, okay, 현장 is the site, yung lugar, 소장, okay, 소장 is the manager, 에게, to, okay, so 현장 소장에게, to the manager of the site, 말하십시오. Okay, 말하십시오, 말하다, to speak, and 십시오, please. So please speak to the manager of the site if you intend to park. So again guys, bawal nga, 금지. Okay? So therefore, hindi po yung number 3 yung tamang sagot natin dito. So we have to proceed to number 4, and I think this is the correct answer, no? 정답이 될 가능성이 높습니다. So medyo mataas po yung probability na ito na yung tamang sagot. Number 4, 공사를 하고 있으니까. Okay, so same sa number 2, no? Since they are doing construction, 차를 세우지 마십시오. Okay, 차를 세우다. Okay, ito yung verb natin. 차 guys is car. 세우다 literally means to stop. Okay, so when you stop the car, ibig sabihin yan, nagpa-park ka na. Okay, so 차를 세우지 마십시오. So please don't 차를 세우다. Okay, to park. Okay, please don't park since they are doing construction. Okay, so yung 주차 guys, or 주차하다, to park, and 차를 세우다 is also to park. Pareha ng meaning. So therefore, number 4 po yung tamang sagot natin dito. Okay? So nakuha po ba guys? So if you have questions po, you can ask in the comment section po. 질문이 있으시면 댓글로 알려주십시오 여러분. Okay? Please inform us through the comment section. 여기까지 봐주셔서 감사합니다. Okay? Thank you for watching until here. See you on the next video.